Why is the cheese full of holes?
Hi, Heidi!
Hi! Oh, thank you for the presents, Bimi! Sit down. Now, I'm going to treat you to something yummy! Stop!
Oh.
Where did this hole come from? Did you do it?
What? No!
I think I know. Neighbor! Can I have a word with you?
Hi, neighbor. Has something happened?
Is this your doing?
Oh, what nice cheese. What's wrong with it?
A hole. Someone made a hole in the cheese.
Bimi, if I had laid my hands on this cheese, I would have eaten it all. Why would I just make a hole?
True. Who could do it, neighbor?
I have an idea. But here's the deal. I'll tell you, and you'll give the cheese to me.
Heidi, I had another slice of cheese in one of the boxes. Let's give it to Neighbor Mouse. I just forgot what box it was in.
Let's help unwrap Bimi's presents and find the cheese for Mouse. Now open the red box. What's in there? Jam. Let's open the green box then. What's in there? Cookies. Open the blue box. What's in there? Hooray! It's a piece of cheese for Mouse. We found it.
Oh, thank you. Well, you have to go see Goat. She makes milk for cheese. And I see her chewing something suspiciously all the time.
That's right! Goat must have something to do with it. Come on, Bimi.
Hi, Lady Goat!
Good day.
Bon appetit, Lady Goat! Tell me, do you know what this is?
Of course I do. That's cheese.
Aha! So you made the hole in the cheese.
The hole? Why should I? I am happy just chewing greens. And cheese is my job. I give milk. And the milk is used to make cheese. See? Look how much milk there is. I made all of that.
Looks like Lady Goat is right.
Who made all the holes in the cheese then?
I could certainly help you, but
Go on, go on.
I'll tell you if you help me to load these heavy cans.
No problem, ma'am.
Let's help Goat to load the milk cans onto the truck. Let's take the first can. Ta-da! It's in the back of the truck. Now the second one. Hey-ho! Well done! Let's lift the third one. Bang! Great! And the last. All done. Well done! Good job, everyone!
Thank you! Jump into the truck. Let's take the milk to the cheese factory together. You'll learn the whole truth there. That's it. I've got to go back. Good luck. Meh.
Thank you, Lady Goat!
Bye-bye.
There's no one here. Is there anybody here? Hello?
Oh, do only robots work here?
Set up the microscope.
We need to set up the microscope?
To use the microscope, you must first turn it on. Tap the red button. Cool. The microscope is turned on. Let's put in the cheese. Tap the green button. Great! Let's have a closer look at it. It seems like you need to make the image larger. Move the lever to the correct position. Much better now. Now let's adjust the focus of the image. Move the lever to the correct position. Excellent! At last the picture is clear.
Wow! Who are you?
Hi guys, let's get to know one another. We are cheese bacteria. Our job is to make yummy cheese.
Wow! I'm speechless! So you are the ones who make holes in cheese?
That's right. Look, cheese is made from milk. First, we add a special starter culture to the milk. Then cheese is cooked and small bubbles appear in it. After that, the milk thickens and then it is put into small baskets.
We blow up the bubbles and they turn into holes. This makes the cheese yummy and funny.
Wow! How interesting!
And I thought holes were bad, but sometimes it's just the opposite.
Thank you, cheese bacteria!